Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Infinix Smart 8 easily. So as we know together guys that screen timeout is useful for giving duration to the screen, how long the screen is on after not being used. And so that it is not too long or too fast, we have to organize it. Okay, so to set screen timeout, now first thing first that you have to do is you can go to about settings menu on your phone, and then here you can scroll down a little bit and go to display and brightness, and after that you can scroll down again a little bit and you can click for screen timeout, and this is the first settings is just 1 minute guys, so you can choose whether 15 second, 13 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, or 30 minute, and I choose 30 minute, so the screen will not turn off after 30 minutes of inactivity. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.